Right, so I've got a customer's car in today. I'm going to do a service on it. It's a Toyota Yaris 1.3 litre petrol, 2012. It was in, I did it the other day because of a check engine light. Ended up having a misfire in cylinder 1. Changed all the spark plugs and it seems to have solved the problem. So I won't be doing spark plugs, but if you do need to do them, you just take off these bolts here. Take these out. Spark plugs are in there, undo them, put the new ones in. Simple as that. Start off with the airbox here. Just take these little tabs off. Just literally lifts up. Then you can pull the old one out. It's pretty dirty. I think it's been changed in a while. Get the new one in. I mean, you can just see how long this has been in for. It's got all starts in it. This is a new one. Put it in like this way. This little tab here. I'll just have to do two hands so I don't squish it, but just put it in like that. 1 sec. There we go, just like that. Push that back down. Put them tabs on. That's that in. That's the air filter done. Let's move on to the oil filter and oil. Right. Basically what we've got down here is this bolt here, 40mm sump plug, and that there you can use 3/8. Just push it in, twist it. That's for the oil filter, and you just drain it off before you take it out. I'll show you how to do that in a sec, but I'll start for taking this off. It's just a 40mm, so I'll quickly take that off and then I'll show you what I mean with this one here. As you can see, oil's like a browny colour. Definitely hasn't been changed in a while. So yeah, it's definitely well overdue. Got this bolt out though, so just let that drain off. Put this back in, and we'll drain off the oil filter and take that out and put the new one in. We can fill it back up with some oil. Alright, so I've tightened that back up, so sump plug's all back in. And then with this one here, what you want to do, get your 3/8, just put it on there like that. Try and push it in, but mine doesn't seem to want to go in that well. Loosen it. That. Take it out. And then just spin this off. And then any oil that's in there will come out. Not much, so that's alright. Alright, so I'm just taking off the oil filter housing now. You do need a special tool, but I managed to get around it by just tapping on here very gently and using a oil filter tool remover, but you are meant to buy a special tool for it, so I'd look into doing that before changing it. But yeah, we can just take this off now. Shouldn't be any oil in it, but there probably will be. Oh, yep, there definitely is. Just let that drain out a bit. I'll wait till that drain out and then I'll take it out and change the filter over. Alright, so for the oil filter housing out, just gonna pull that out and put this new one in. Put that new one in, put the new O-ring on it. O-ring just goes on there. So we'll quickly do that and then show you. Alright, so got the new oil ring on and new oil filter in. So I'm just going to screw this back on. Same as removal, just screw it back in, clean up the area, some brake fluid and that, brake cleaner, and then yeah. Alright, so that's that all back together. Some plugs back in, oil filter, it's all sorted. So now I'll just go back up top and fill it with oil. Alright, just gonna fill it with some oil now. It says it takes 3.4 litres, so put 3 litres in, check the dipstick, and just keep doing that until I'm happy with it. So yeah, I'll just fill it up now and then see what happens. Alright, so I filled it with oil. I've put about 3 litres in. If I just show you, it's showing that it's just above, I don't know if it's going to focus. It's showing it's just above the top line there. Don't know if you can see that. But so basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start the car, let it run a little bit, top it back up. Alright, so I've just let it run for about 30 seconds just so the oil can circulate the engine. I'll give it 5 minutes to like settle down, and then I'll check the dipstick. Needs more oil, I'll add it. Alright, so I'm just going to change the cabin filter now. It's in the glove box. You just want to open the glove box and just push this side, take that pin down, push this side, take the pin down. I'll quickly do that and then show you how to put the cabin filter in. Alright, so I've pushed the pins down on the glove box, now it's open, and all you want to do is you just want to like pull on the back of here, just this little tab here, and then open up like that, pull that out, and then use the cabin filter. Pretty dirty. Pretty sure that used to be white. Very nice. Couple of flies in there. Get this nice new one. Which way around does that go? Okay, that's up. This one wants to go up as well. This way. Push that back. There we go. I'll just get the cover. There we go, and just push that in. Alright, so that's all that back together. Happy days. Changed the cabin filter, oil filter, air filter and oil. I did the spark plugs, but that was a different day, so they've all been done now. So yeah, pretty straightforward job. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.